In the previous video, properties related to the SAMPLE09 code were defined. This video will upload the job list for the relevant example to Dynamo Plus Planning. A separate video on creating a task list had been published before. However, in this example, additional definitions like raw material, semi-finished product, and mold set were needed, so this topic was reopened. Let's start with the buttonhole job list. Click on the Advanced Planning and Scheduling link from the menu for this. Click on the APS Data Sources link from the drop-down menu. Then click on the Task List link. A new document is created. The work list we created in Excel before is transferred to Dynamo Plus Planning. Then move to the Critical Raw Material Definitions tab. Requirements specified in the product tree are defined here. In our example, for the first operation, each part requires 1 unit of raw materials A and B, and a requirement of 1 unit per piece for the CHAM material had been defined for the second operation. Let's make the relevant entries now. There was a demand for 5 units for item number 1, that is, the product. When a need for one of each relevant raw material is identified in the product tree, we define the required quantity as 5. Right next to me, we match operations with raw materials in the columns. The first operation, meaning copy the job number of an operation, we are attaching the interest to the surface. For the one-to-one operation, both A and B raw materials were needed. Similarly, we copy the guide ID and paste it into the relevant cells. The second operation, that is the operation 1 to 2, required the substance CHAN. Copy the job number and GUI ID and paste them into the relevant cells. Then move to the Mold and Tool Definitions tab. From here, matching is done with the K mold required for the third operation. Click the Save button to complete the process.